Hey guys, Holly here. I've got a bookcase project for you today. I'm going to do a little redesign. I got an idea online and I'm going to give it a go. We're going to use black sands on the inside and the back of the bookcase, and we're going to use Hampton Olive on the outside and the frame. And then we're going to leave the shelves as natural wood, again, darker colours. Okay guys, paint colour number 1 is going on. This is Hampton Olive by Dixie Belle. It's a super popular shade. It's also from their silk range, so it's self-priming and self-sealing. I'm using it in conjunction with a mister bottle filled with water. It really reduces the appearance of brush strokes and just gives you a more flawless finish. And now I'm going to apply Friendshic's clear furniture wax to the sanded shelves. This is the colour Black Sands by Dixie Belle, also from their silk range, which makes life really easy. I really love this colour, it's just got so much depth to it. Okay guys, this is the finished result. I'm so pleased with the colour combination. I really love how the black sands on the inside really sets off those Cherrywood shelves. This is my first time working with Cherrywood and I really enjoyed the process. I normally get a lot of pine and oak and mahogany, so this was a really nice change. I'd love to know if you guys have done any Cherrywood projects before, or what's your favourite type of wood to work with. Let me know in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and please hit like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.